Hey Flops, welcome to another video. I thought I'd give you a quick guide on how to take screenshots in free, dirty and easy ways in Windows 10. So usually what people do when they don't know about these print screen shortcuts is that they press the print screen button on their keyboard. They open up something like, I don't know, MS Paint, or maybe they got Photoshop installed or whatever. Press Ctrl V to paste it in. And then they start cropping it and saving it down as an image on their computer. But this is the old way, and not really the way we're gonna do it today. We're gonna simplify it for ourselves. So what I want you guys to do is essentially hold down Windows key and print screen button. So what we'll do is that it will darken your screen for a split second, and it's going to save a screenshot file or an actual image file into your screenshots folder. This is placed within your pictures documents. So it's just to open it up, and essentially what we'll see is an image of my monitors right now. Simple as that. So if you want a quick, dirty, easy way to just send an image of what you got on your monitors, I would recommend that. Windows key and print screen. That's all it does. You get an image file straight to your computer. Don't need to fiddle around with the paint or anything like that. Just straight on your drive. That's the first way. The second way, what you can do as well, is if you have an application open, like, I don't know, maybe you got Discord open or a game open or a text editor open. It doesn't really matter. What you can do is hold Alt and then press the print screen button. And what would it do is that it would only take and save into clipboard the current activity that you have selected. In this case, it was Discord. So if you can see here, if I press Ctrl V and enter, I'm going to instantly send an image of Discord that I was having open. That's like the second way, and also another easy, dirty way we can take screenshots. Now, this is not my favorite one though. There's a third one, and essentially it works a little bit like the built-in snippet tool that you have in Windows 7 or Windows 10 for that matter of fact. But it's a little bit more effective. So what I want you to do is essentially hold Shift, Windows key, and then press S. And what it would do is bring up those shortcuts on the top of your monitor. And you can select it like a square, like a rectangle. You can circle things in like freeform, or you can take from application there as well. But this is super handy because let's say you see something online that you want to keep track, like maybe a code or something. Maybe there's an article. Maybe there's like a nice funny meme that you want to send to your friends. You can essentially just select this tool and drag and cross it whatever part of the screen that you have, and just let it go. And you can jump into something like Discord again and just send it off, and you got an image. So there you have it. 3 easy, quick and dirty ways to send screenshots in Windows. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. And you champs, take care.